new battery now in the GoPro, and one phone died, so we had to give up the other phone for Mama's navigation. But I think we got the way home memorized now. It just cut to this lane. You got to watch it on Lombok, because the drivers of the cars, they're really aggressive. And like this truck, look at this truck. Look. That's two trucks taking up the wrong lane. You get that shit all the time. So if you happen to be visiting Lombok and you're going to be riding, just be aware of that. Good safety tip. Roundabout thingy. Yeah. That's just like when we got the taxi from the airport. I remember that one. We even passed up the D-Max Hotel, the one that we decided against, and got Aston instead.